For the inauguration ceremony, I would like to invite Dr. Madhusudan Agarwal, President USI, on the stage, please. I would also like to invite Dr. Mahesh Desai, Senior Renowned Urologist. Can we please give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Dr. Oliver, our chief guest. Dr. V. Chandramohan, Organizing Chairman. Dr. Ratkal, President, South Zone USI. Dr. S.V.S. Rao, President, Sogas APN Telangana. Dr. P.V.L.N. Murthy, President, Sogas APN Telangana. Dr. Rajiv T.P., Secretary, USI. Dr. Gopi Chand, Secretary, Sogas APN Telangana. Dr. A.V. Ravi Kumar, Secretary, Sogas APN Telangana. Dr. Siddhalinga Swami, Organizing Secretary. Can we give our dignitaries a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? I would now like to invite Dr. P. Rupa, Director of Preeti Urology and Kidney Hospital, on the dais for a prayer song.
ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायणनी पुरुषोत्तमगुरुनी सिद्धबुद्धनी स्कन्दविनायक सविता पालकनी ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायणनी ब्रह्मवर्धिनी युवशक्तिनी येसुपिता प्रभुनी अद्वितीयनी अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिवनी ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायणनी वासुदेव गो विश्वरूपनि चिदानन्दहरिणी बुद्धशक्तिनि रामकृष्णनि रहीमताओ नी ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायणनी ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायणनी Thank you.
Check. I now request our dignitaries to do the lighting of lamp. Thank you, sirs. I would now like to invite Dr. Chandra Mohan to join me and address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries, Dr. Mahesh Desai sir, senior urologist from Nadiad, Dr. Oliver Track sir, well-known renowned RIRS surgeon from Tenon Hospital, Paris, Dr. Madhusudan Agarwal sir, Urology Society of India President, Dr. Ratkal, South Zone Urology Society President, Dr. Rajiv, Secretary, Urology Society of India, Dr. SVS Rao from Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, Senior Urologist, who is President of our prestigious SOGAS AP and Telangana State, the Hyderabad Urology Society President, Dr. P. Bilan Murthy, from retired professor from NIMS, Secretary of the SOGAS AP and APTS, my friend Dr. Gopi, and Dr. A.V. Ravikumar sir, who is Senior Urologist, Secretary, Hyderabad Urology Society, Dr. Siddhalinga Swami, Organizing Secretary, teachers, seniors, my friends, and juniors. A warm welcome on behalf of Preeti Urology and Kidney Hospital. Thank you for sparing your valuable time. Now, I am playing this video. Please watch this. Thank you all for sparing your valuable time to teach, share, and gain the knowledge. As you all know that for small to medium sized kidney stones, RIRS and Mini-Perk are the better options of management. Both have merits and demerits. Similarly, lasers are competing with pneumatic lithotripters. Reusable scopes are competing with disposable flexible scopes. Based on this, we thought of conducting this workshop wherein the cases are pooled in such a way that they are comparable, and also experienced faculty will demonstrate both the techniques. Today, our chief guest, renowned RIRS surgeon in the world from Tenon Hospital, Paris, Professor Oliver Traxer, is with us to share his knowledge and demonstrate the technique of RIRS. Thank you, sir, being with us today in spite of your busy schedule. I got training in 2007 at Tenon Hospital with Oliver Traxer. Dr. Mahesh Desai, no need to introduce, one of the most experienced urologists in the field of renal stone management, is with us to deliver a talk on the role of ultrasound in the renal stone management. He is the mentor for many of the urologists here, including myself. In 2007, I went to Nadiad to learn RIRS, and exactly after 10 years in 2017, I was the operating faculty along with Oliver Traxer in the same hospital. Dr. Mahesh Desai sir not only trains but also encourages like this. Dr. Madhusudan Agarwal, present Urology Society of India President, is with us. Very simple teacher and experienced surgeon in the field of renal stone surgery. Thank you both of you being with us in spite of your busy schedule. Dr. Ratkal sir, Dr. Rajiv, both are not only representatives of the Urology Society of South India and Urology Society of India, but true well-wishers to us. There are other important faculty who are demonstrating the surgeries and delivering the lectures, among which Dr. S.K. Paul from Delhi, renowned surgeon, PCNL surgeon, already demonstrated the case. Dr. Prabhakaran and Dr. Kandar Parikh, who enriched us with their knowledge last few years. Dr. Li Shi from China will demonstrate the disposable flexible scope RIRS tomorrow. Dr. Anil Shrestha from Nepal, who is my close friend, will give live demonstration tomorrow. Dr. Kabir from Bangladesh, very knowledgeable surgeon, will enlighten us the bilateral RIRS role. Dr. Kukreja, who is my close friend, recently have done many live workshops to demonstrate the PCNL. Dr. Ravindra Sabnis sir, the best teacher I have ever seen in the recent past, known for his simplicity and is one of the most knowledgeable in the field of renal stone management. The other surgeons on the dais, Dr. SVS Rao, who is a senior surgeon from Andhra Pradesh, Dr. P.Vilan Murthy, President of Hyderabad Urology Society, retired professor from NIMS, an excellent teacher, Dr. Gopi, my friend, Secretary, our state, Sogas and AP and Telangana state, and Ravi Kumar sir, the Secretary of Hyderabad Urology Society. In fact, this conference is under the aegis of Society of Genitourinary Surgeons of AP and Telangana state. I have to say a few words of our prestigious society. Seniors like Professor A.V. Ranganath Rao, Dr. Pinnamani Nageshwar Rao, Dr. B.V. Ramaraju, Dr. Vasanaran Rao, Dr. A.V.S. Reddy, Dr. Chari, Dr. Chalapati Raju, Dr. Rauf, Dr. Ramaraju K, Dr. S.V.S. Rao, Dr. P.Vilan Murthy, Dr. Jairam Reddy, Dr. Mallikarjun C, Dr. Mallikarjun Reddy, Dr. Sanjay Sinha, Dr. Surya Prakash, Dr. Gopi, Dr. Lakshman, Dr. Kashinath, and many others. As I cannot mention all the names due to time constraint, they have all formed, structured, and remodeled this society to the present role model society. I am proud and thankful to my society. I am also thankful to all the faculty who came all the way from India to deliver various lectures and demonstrate the live surgeries. I promise that my team of Preeti Hospitals, all together of more than 150 members from both the hospitals, will put their effort to bring the best in these 2 days. I wish this conference will update your knowledge and be a memorable event. Please pardon me if any lapses in these 2 days. Thank you. Thank you for giving the opportunity to be here. Once again, in my words, I say that way back in 2007, I registered in Nadiad when Oliver Traxler has come. That time, I first held the scope. When I was returning, I felt that this may stay for a long time. Then I immediately, within 6 months, I went to Traxler, sir. There, I have seen 1 day, 2 days program only. Out of 6 cases, he said in 2 cases, it is inferior calyx. He tried 2 times and said, no, it's not case for RIRS. Post for tomorrow, PCNL. Because he said the system is different there. So I need to say a statement here from very famous boxer Bruce Lee. He says that if you practice 100 kicks, I'm not afraid. But if you practice 1 kick 100 times, I'm afraid of that kick. Kick means boxing kick. If somebody is practicing only 1 kick 100 times, you have to be afraid because the chances of injury is very high with that kick. That's what the world is traveling towards. Amount of the research Oliver Traxler sir is doing is phenomenal. Last month I was in Barcelona. Their students were presenting to the extent of the temperature inside the kidney, the various types of settings, the pop dusting, definition of the dust, which I am telling today, it is only copy-paste. We are learning from him continuously. Even the smallest point, when you pass the guide wire in the ureter, if it lifts up in oval way, chances that you will pass the access sheet successfully is high. So he is enriching entire world. Day after tomorrow he was in US, yesterday he was in Romania, today he is in India. Big applause to Professor Oliver Traxler, sir. I wish today and tomorrow he will give 2 hours of lecture. Usually everybody says that he is one of the most crisp speaker. Let us learn from him. Rest of all the things are already depicted. Dr. Mahesh Desai sir is naturally everybody dreams the way the life has to be conducted, not only the profession. His journey of last 50 years in urology is amazing. I am seeing myself. First time in 2004 when I was a final year resident, I went to Bombay World Congress Endourology conducted. Phenomenal. Number of stalls in India, you cannot imagine. It took nearly 1 hour to cover all these stalls. That amount from Nadia live transmission at that time was very, very encouraging for all of us. Similarly, I already mentioned about all the others. They are teachers, like Ratkal sir is so simple, and he always said that I wanted to learn from RIRS. In Bangalore, people, when I got married 10 years back, my in-laws used to say that very famous Ratkal surgeon is in Bangalore, very famous Ratkal surgeon is there in Bangalore. This is 12 years back. His enthusiasm to learn the new thing is highly accepted. He is the South Zone president now. TP Rajiv is close friend to me. P.V.L.N. Murthy sir is very good teacher. In Hyderabad Urology Society meetings, he is the one who takes initiative, along with Ravi Kumar sir. To be honest, Ravi Kumar sir, I don't want to mention, but still it's worth. He's the son of Professor Ranganath Rao sir. I have not seen him, I have not worked with him, but Ravi Kumar sir's simplicity is much bigger than that. And the two secretaries, the Gopi and Ravi Kumar sir, thank you very much. With this, I conclude, and I will request Professor Oliver Traxler to give few comments on this workshop. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. As you know, I love India since a long time now. Thank you for the invitation. You know that I really enjoy, and I'm very happy to be with you and to share some knowledge, some experience, and to exchange in between us. So again, I would like to congratulate you for the organization of this meeting. I must say that I'm very impressed to see the room. I was thinking it will be a very small workshop, you know. I realize it's a really big one. So I must congratulate you for this organization. Thank you for the invitation, really.
May I request Dr. Mahesh Desai sir, the legend in urology, to give few words.
First of all, I would like to thank Chandra Mohan for inviting me here. I had initially sent a little difficulty that I may not be able to attend. In reply, he sent me the tickets. So, and then after that, there was no question of not coming, you know, because every letter showed that you are coming. So you have to do it. One thing he told me just now, he mentioned that in 2004 he attended the World Congress, and then he learned, and if you can reach the height with which he has reached is phenomenal. I think I feel more than satisfied that doing that conference was worthwhile. At least we produce people who have achieved that height. And I'm sure, Chandra Mohan, from today's workshop, there would be people who after 10 years would be here and giving the advice and the wisdom of the thing. You see, when you give a lecture, the retention power is about 20%. You may forget, you may remember for 48 hours, and after 1 week, you forget at least 50% and thing. When you do the live surgery, it remains longer. Retention power is 40%. But today you saw all three of them. They gave a theory before, I mean, it was like a lecture. And then they demonstrated what they spoke. Prabhakaran was showing the different angle and maneuver. I think that is going to be very useful to anybody who is picking up the flexible ureteroscopy. And there was no hesitation in giving the knowledge, demonstrating. And there is I just saw in the downstairs, there's a hand-on. When you have a three combination of this thing, it has the highest teaching point. And people will learn and they will practice. I'm 100% sure. And our patient deserves to have a best urologist who will treat them. So I really congratulate you for excellent organization. I would fail to acknowledge Dr. Rupa, not only with your beautiful singing, but prayers, but I see her hand in everything. I mean, he may get the credit fully, but I know Rupa has been working equally hard. So congratulations to both of you, and thank you for such an excellent thing. And another last thing, then in the folder I saw, there are certain videos which you have put it. That's a very long thought process that you can go home and revive yourself with the technique again. And that will give us a good point of technique. So this is most important. Thank you. Thank you.
Now I request Urology Society of India President Dr. Madhusudan Agarwal, sir. Please, sir.
Good morning to all of you. I believe in workshops we should keep the ceremonial part as short as possible because you are here, all of you are here to watch surgeries. So I'll keep myself very, very short. Of course, great thanks to Dr. Chandra Mohan for this invitation. I remember the first time when he invited me to his workshop, which was held in his own hospital. Started with a small event, but his enthusiasm to learn new things and to teach, to participate in educational programs has been there from the beginning. And that is the most remarkable thing, which Dr. Mahesh Desai just pointed out. Dr. Chandra Mohan alluded to the 2004 World Congress. I'll tell you about the workshop which I attended in the 90s, which Dr. Mahesh Desai did in Nadiad, which was a landmark in endourology in the country. It was a workshop, one of the first major workshops in the country in endourology, where I was invited as a very young greenhorn faculty. Dr. Desai said, I wanted to see that this man who talks so much, whether he can actually perform to the same level. Sir, do you remember that time? Dr. Raju Thomas was one international faculty invited, and the other was Indy Gill. And they were also at that time not so big in the world. And today you know where Indy Gill stands, and Dr. Raju Thomas is the president-elect of AUA today. Dr. Desai has been the leading light in teaching and encouraging all of us to achieve heights. And I think all of us in this country whatever we have learned and whatever we have achieved to his enthusiasm and his encouragement. So I salute, take this opportunity to salute Dr. Desai for giving us whatever we have achieved in these years. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for being a part of this. Oliver Traxler, sir, he is younger to me, but he is a giant in the world in endourology, in flexible ureteroscopy, and it's his humbleness that he accepts invitations like this to, take time out to come and participate in this program. And he's one of the finest surgeons and one of the finest teachers. And you will see how he can explain and make things so easy, both in his talks as well as in his performance of his surgery. So friends, be ready for a great extravaganza for these next 2 days, and I welcome you all on behalf of Dr. Chandra Mohan to be a part of this. One small request to Dr. Chandra Mohan on behalf of Urological Society of India, that kindly have all this recording done and take consent of all the faculty to let this be archived on the USI archives so that people can benefit. We can upload this on the USI archives so that people can benefit afterwards also from all this wonderful surgeries that we are going to see in the next 2 days. Thank you so much.
With this, we kept only for 20 minutes. Honestly speaking, I did not want any other than urologist on this stage. So I hope we have finished the time. Important points for the delegates. Lunch is here only. Tomorrow lunch is also here only. Night dinner is just backside of this hotel. Walkable distance around 200 to 300 meters. It's an open lawn. You'll have a nice evening there. And a small request, the tea and coffee we have kept in the downstairs at the stall area, but next 2 hour session, don't miss. Every session we tried to make interesting. Mahesh Desai sir will give the legendary lecture on half an hour, the role of ultrasound in the management of the renal stone disease. After that, we are doing 2 pediatric cases, 1 RIRS, 1 PCNL, and 1 more case of difficult impacted stone. Similarly, in the evening, 3:34 around, we will be watching another important surgeries by Kandar Parikh sir, Madhusudan Agarwal and Oliver Traxler if possible. So these 3 surgeries also make a lot of interesting. And afternoon, after the lunch, after some break, Oliver Traxler sir will be giving the lecture for 1 hour on the various aspects of flexible ureteroscopy. So keep your energy levels. Let's hope all of you will get the best possible in these 2 days. Once again, if any small lapses, please pardon me. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll conclude.